Hello everyone. In this video lecture we are going to solve assertion and reasoning question answer. So here first one, assertion: higher the refractive index of a medium, lesser is the speed of light in it. अगर किसी मीडियम का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स हाई होगा तो उसकी स्पीड ऑफ लाइट जो है वो कम होगी. सो असर्शन इज ट्रू है क्योंकि जो हमारे पास रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स होता है दैट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. Reason: refractive index of a medium is inversely proportional to the speed of light in that medium. Reason is also true. Also, reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here A is the correct option. Next question, assertion: mirror formula cannot be applied to a plane mirror. मिरर फार्मूला जो होता है उसका हम यूज कर सकते हैं प्लेन मिरर के लिए एज वेल एज अ कन्वेक्स और कनकेव मिरर के लिए भी. सो हेयर assertion इज फॉल्स है. रीजन: अ प्लेन मिरर इज अ स्फेरिकल मिरर ऑफ इनफाइनाइट फोकल लेंथ. जो एक प्लेन मिरर होता है वो एक स्फेरिकल मिरर होता है जिसकी इनफाइनाइट फोकल लेंथ होती है. तो रीजन इज ट्रू. सो हेयर इन दिस क्वेश्चन assertion इज फॉल्स, रीजन इज ट्रू. सो हेयर डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Next question, assertion: it is impossible to see a virtual image with our naked eye. So assertion false है क्योंकि it is possible to see the virtual image with our naked eye. Reason: the ray do not actually emanate from a virtual image. So reason is true, assertion is false. Here D is the correct option. Next question, assertion: if an object is placed at the focus of a convex mirror, its image is formed at infinity. Assertion is false. Reason: the distance of the image from a convex mirror cannot be infinity. So here reason is true, assertion is false. So D is the correct option. Next question, assertion: incident light is reflected in one direction from a smooth surface. So here assertion is true. Reason: since the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are same, a beam of parallel rays of light falling on a smooth surface is reflected as a beam of parallel light rays in one direction only. Reason is also true. Also reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here A is the correct option. Next question, assertion: the word ambulance on the hospital van is written in the form of its mirror image as inverted ambulance. So here assertion is true क्योंकि जो मिरर में हमें वो सीधा आपको दिखाई देगा. रीज़न: द इमेज फॉर्म इन अ प्लेन मिरर इज सेम साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. जो इमेज फॉर्म होती है प्लेन मिरर में वो सेम साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट होती है. सो हियर रीज़न इज आल्सो ट्रू क्योंकि जो इमेज बनती है वो लेटरली इन्वर्टेड होती है इन केस ऑफ प्लेन मिरर. सो हियर assertion is true, reason is true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. So here B is the correct option.